What up guys, it's your boy Nick. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make perfect baked potatoes in the oven. Super easy, and you don't have to use the foil at all. This is an easy, quick recipe, so let's get after it. So you're going to want to set your oven to 425. So we'll preheat to 425. Let it preheat. All right, y'all, I'm gonna do 3 potatoes. You can do more than this if you want, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna wash these really well, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. All right, I got my baked potatoes nice and washed, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my spray. You can use Pam, I use this olive oil spray. I'm gonna coat them really well. All right, nice and coated. And then I'm just gonna get some table salt. And I'm actually gonna coat them really well with table salt. Because what you want is you're gonna get a nice soft inside of the potato and a nice crunchy, salty shell of the potato. It's gonna be amazing. All right, another thing you wanna do is poke a bunch of holes in your potato. So once your oven is preheated, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna, since these are large potatoes, you wanna cook them for an hour. It's 45 to 60 minutes. If you have small potatoes, you just wanna do 45 minutes. If they're big like these, large potatoes, you wanna do a complete hour. You can find someplace in between the 45 and 60 minutes, but when I cook them for an hour, the outside of the potato is nice and crisp. Inside of the potatoes nice and cooked. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, everyone, it's been an hour. We're gonna pull these perfect baked potatoes out. Ooh, they're nice and hot. Look at them, crispy, dude. Crispy. Go ahead and cut one. Show you guys the inside here. Nice, crisp on the outside. Ooh, nice and cooked. Perfect on the inside. Whew. Look at that. See, no tinfoil needed, guys. And perfect baked potatoes every time. So I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe. I got a lot of other videos kind of like this. Enjoy. Have a good night.